UPI just hit a new record, 17 billion transactions in 1 month. But how does this help you? And more importantly, how can you make money from this? 1. Earn cashbacks and rewards. Most banks, fintech apps like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, and even brands are offering cashbacks, discounts, and rewards for making UPI payments. So, what to do? Always check cashback offers when paying rent, utility bills, or shopping online. 2. Get instant small loans via UPI credit. Now, UPI isn't just for payments, it's also for instant credits. Banks and NBFCs are now offering UPI based credit lines, meaning you can buy now, pay later directly from your UPI app. If you ever need short term funds, you can access quick loans at lower rates instead of using costly credit cards. 3. Lower bank charges, no hidden fees. UPI eliminates extra fees for transferring money, unlike RTGS or NEFT transactions, which banks charge for. So use UPI instead of cards or net banking for everyday payments to save money on unnecessary fees. 4. You can invest in fintech and banking stocks. Companies leading the UPI boom like Paytm, ICICI Bank, and SBI are seeing massive growth. If you invest in stocks, keep an eye on fintech stocks and banking ETFs. They could give huge long-term returns. 5. Send and receive money abroad. UPI goes global. UPI is now accepted in UAE, Singapore, France, and more, meaning NRIs and travelers can use UPI abroad without forex fees. If you have family abroad, remittances can become cheaper and faster. If you travel, you might soon pay with UPI instead of currency exchange hassles. UPI is not just a payment system, it's becoming a financial revolution. Do you think India will go 100% cashless soon? Drop your thoughts below. And for more such finance content, follow PickRight.